How to sync CapCut projects across all the devices. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update CapCut to the latest version. Then open up CapCut on a device. Now wait for some time. Now under projects, tap on three dots next to your project. Now click on upload to space. Then sign in into your account. Now wait for some time. Now tap on your space. If you don't have enough storage, simply tap on get storage. Now to get the storage, you will need to subscribe to CapCut Premium. Now once you complete all the steps, you can simply upload your projects to the space and sync across all the devices. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.